I'm trying to find a job to help pay for college.
That's great. A part-time job can really help.
Oh, do you have a job right now?
Yes, I work as a waiter at a small restaurant.
Nice. Do you have any tips for finding a job?
Be friendly, smile, and always dress neatly when you apply.
I've given my resume to many places already.
Sometimes companies just aren't hiring at the moment.
So, how did you get your job?
I kept sending applications and finally got a call back.
So, I just need to keep trying?
Exactly. Hard work matters, and a little luck helps too.
I just turned 16 yesterday.
Really? Happy birthday. 16 is a great age.
Thanks. What's so great about being 16?
Well, one exciting thing is that you can get a part-time job now.
Oh, I didn't know that. That sounds interesting.
Yes, but you usually need a work permit before you can start working.
Thanks for telling me. I might look for a job soon.
That's a good idea. Tell me when you get one.
Is it hard to get a job at my age?
It can be. Some employers prefer to hire people who are over 18.
That's okay. I think I can impress them.
I like your confidence. That will definitely help you get a job.
I'm going to quit school.
I don't recommend that. School is important.
Don't worry, I'm going to start a business.
What kind of business?
I'm going to make a robot that does chores at home.
That sounds interesting. Have you made the robot yet?
No, but I'm starting to learn how.
That's a big project. You'll need time and skills.
If it works, it could sell very well.
Maybe, but school can help you build those skills first.
I'm just worried my parents won't understand me.
They love you. If you explain your dream, they'll listen.
So, maybe I shouldn't quit so fast?
Maybe you can do both for now. Study and plan your idea.
Before this interview starts, do you have any questions for me?
No, I'm ready. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Great. Please tell me about yourself.
My name is Olivia. I'm 21 years old, and I'm a college student studying education.
That's nice. Why do you want to become a teacher?
I want to help children learn and have a better future. Teaching has always interested me.
What subject would you like to teach?
I would love to teach science. It's my favorite subject in school.
Do you have any experience teaching?
Yes, I worked as a volunteer tutor for younger students at my college.
That's useful experience. Why do you want this job?
I want to gain experience while I'm still in college and work with students directly.
That sounds good. Why science in particular?
Science is exciting, and I want to make it fun for children to learn.
Thank you for coming today. We'll contact you soon.
Thank you, Peter. I look forward to hearing from you.
I'm trying to find a job, and it's really hard.
I think it's because you've never worked before.
You're right. Employers like to see someone with experience.
That's unfortunate.
I can't get a job if no one gives me a chance.
Try to sell yourself better.
How am I going to do that?
Talk about your talents and school activities.
I can lick my nose.
Not that kind of talent.
Okay. I am the captain of the basketball team.
There you go. That's a great one.
I also help organize school events, and I work well in a team.
Perfect. You can also mention volunteering or helping teachers.
So I should write all of that in my resume?
Yes, and be confident when you talk about it.
I feel better already. I'll try again tomorrow.